Okay, this is good. Sometimes are even better than I expected. This is the green screen over here. You see that? Can you see this? Uh-huh. So I have to make sure that I don't move too much, as the visual gets detached. There you go. So I spent less than 15 ringgit making one of this. So assuming I'm making a recording on a literature text, okay, discussing about its meaning and the literary devices. So when I record one of this, I can always give this to my colleagues to play to my students when I'm not around, on the days that I call in sick or on the days that I have to attend a course. So yeah, this is actually worth the time that I spent making one though. So yeah, have fun making one, and thank you for watching. Just keep coming back to my blog and see what I am working on, because I'm always on about something. So have fun. Thank you.